Dear students, in the last session we studied about natural resource conservation. Today we will study the next topic of green skills, that is green economy and its importance. Collins English Dictionary defines green economy as a biological economy. Biological means related to living organism that is concerned with renewable energy, green buildings, clean transportation, water, waste, and land management. It means that the main sectors with which green economy deals are renewable energy, green buildings, clean transportation, water, waste, and land management. This would mean that without compromising on the ecological aspects, ecological means the relationship between living beings and their environment. So, without compromising on the ecological aspects, we create options that promote the economy. It means that it is a system which helps in economic growth while at the same time taking care of the environment. According to UNEP, that is United Nations Environment Programme, a green economy is defined as low carbon, resource efficient, and socially inclusive. In a green economy, growth in employment and income are driven by public and private investment into such economic activities, infrastructure, and assets that allow reduced carbon emissions and pollution, enhanced energy and resource efficiency, and prevention of the loss of biodiversity and ecosystem services. Biodiversity means the variety of life found in a place on earth, such as plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms, as well as to the communities that they form and the habitats in which they live. That means that they do not cause any harm to the environment. These green investments need to be enabled and supported through targeted public expenditure, policy reforms, and changes in taxation and regulation. It means that the private sector is required to develop alternative ways to create wealth and employment and increase revenue resources through transparent and accountable taxation. The green economy provides a macroeconomic approach to sustainable economic growth with a central focus on investments, employment, and skills. Here, sustainable economic growth means the actions and ways adopted to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that all people enjoy peace and prosperity. Sustainable development includes reducing excessive use of resources and enhancing resource conservation, recycling and reuse of waste materials, scientific management of renewable resources, especially bioresources, planting more trees, green grass patches to be scattered between concrete buildings, using more environment friendly material or biodegradable material, use of technologies which are environment friendly and based on efficient use of resources. Green economy will help maintain resources for present use as well as for future generation while also ensuring that more employment and investment options are created to promote economic growth of the country. A green economy will be future ready. It means that it satisfies the needs of the present without compromising the capacity of the future generations, guaranteeing the balance between economic growth, care for the environment, and social well being. A green economy will observe less health concerns and promote a healthy lifestyle with use of best technology to grow. Such kind of economy will be self-dependent and self-reliant, but it will take effort at each level to build such an economy.